Hi everybody, I just received this parcel from PCBWay, and inside there is my new project which is sponsored by PCBWay, so thank you for this sponsorship. Inside PCBs, of course, then like this one, and we will see what is it in a minute. And I have added these cute stickers, so thank you for this. It is the first time that I receive stickers into the parcel. What is this PCB dealing with? First of all, let's see that it is an air quality station, and the shape here is milled in order to fit into the box. So it's a very nice PCB, very simple in fact. It is a collection of sensors to make an air quality station. Once finished, it would be like this. You immediately notice that there is a very big and bright e-paper screen with the air quality index, which is good, and a scale from good to severe. There is temperature, humidity, pressure, the CO2 measurement, the quality of air with the particle measurement with two values, PM2.5 and PM1.0, expressed in grams per meter cube. Inside the box, I will open it. So it's there is the e-paper. So the e-paper is this one. As you can see, it is completely unplugged, but it is still displaying values. So meaning that the software is already written, but that the sensor is not connected, and while not connected, the sensor is still displaying the screen. So it's an attribute of the e-paper screens. Very nice. Programming this is done block per block, and using a library where you can put values such as the figures and letters. You choose the font, you can draw the line, and so on. Source code of this application will be fully open source, and the link into the description will bring you to the Hackaday project of this project, but also to the GitHub page where the source code is available. Into the box, it's very tiny. It's very filled of sensors. The big one is plant tower, which is a laser measurement of the dust of particles. It's a bit expensive. Here is the PCB. So as you can see, there are slots here to accommodate the PCB. Well, not easy to to remove, but it is there. Into the PCB, you can add an ESP32S2 MCU here, which is handling all the sensors. And on the other side of this PCB, underside, there will be the CO2 measurement sensor. And here there will be the BME 280 for pressure and humidity. And that's it. Power will be done using the ESP32 USB cable, which will enter the box from this direction. As you can see, there are holes into the box in order for the air to penetrate and to flow inside the particle measurement, but also on top of the CO2 measurement sensor. And there will be also here on this side DS1820 sensor, which is a temperature measurement sensor, and it will be positioned far away from the from the ESP32 in order not to capture the heats of the MCU. Measurement will be done, let's say, every 5 minutes, and the display will be refreshed at this frequency. Optionally, we will put this value into web server in order to monitor the evolution of the sensors during weeks, months, years, what you want. So it's a very simple project, but it is quite complex in terms of manufacturing and in terms of enclosure. It's very compact. So let's go to the description of the project to find the full Hackaday page and also the GitHub page. Next video will be probably the system fully soldered and working, but as you can see, it is already working because the code is finished and works. So stay tuned. Goodbye.